Hey, good morning. Sean Fisk here, Mr. Clean with AllMightyClean. Today we're going to show you a series of videos that were taken over a 3-day period. What occurred here was some water damage and the technician walks you through it very nicely. It's a process, it takes a few days, but you're going to see some amazing results. Enjoy the video.
What we have here was a water leak from a water line in the roof. Let me go ahead and show the line here. For a constant coffee maker, the water line failed, flooding the roof, causing the roof to collapse and affecting virtually this whole building. This is very typical during the summer months. We mostly see this from air conditioners. A lot of the supply lines for the air conditioners fell inside the ceiling, affecting the whole house. Thank you for your time. We have the continuing process of the demolition from our water restoration job. You can see we have cleaned up all the fallen roof, removed any other pieces of roofing that were affected, as well as any insulation that was affected. We're removing 2 layers of carpet and exposing the subfloor, which is wood and concrete. As you can see here at my feet, this is wood, and we gotta dry this wood, so exposing it is crucial. As well as in the bathrooms, we're uplifting the laminate flooring, exposing the wood floor in here that is affected. This would never dry if we had not removed the top coats of carpet and laminate flooring. So now we're continuing with the demolition work. We had to move all of these furnace units out of the way, so we got the gas lines disconnected so we can actually access underneath them, where you can see there is also water damage as well. We continue exposing the floor and running our accelerated drying equipment, being the dehumidifier and the blowers. You can see we've uplifted the bathrooms, exposing the subfloor as well. This concludes this video. Now you can see on our water job, we've got most of the heavy equipment out of here, as well as the remaining of the floor, exposing the rest of the wet spots, as you can see here in various places. So we're going to set up our rest of our drying equipment and dry this one out after we finished our cleanup. Thank you for your time.
So now you've seen the process of AllMightyClean restoring the comfort zone of the commercial building that we're working on here. It is a process. It requires proper training. It requires proper procedures and proper equipment. We have all those. For the last several years, we've worked very hard to create a service offering that would meet your needs. And in fact, we've worked with all of the major insurance companies to understand exactly what they expect from a mitigation vendor. When I say mitigation, we slow damage and then reverse damage so that we return the environment to a livable condition, as you saw in the video. If you should have the misfortune of having your home have a water emergency like the one depicted in the video, don't hesitate to call us. We can do a good job for you. We can do it fast and we can do it properly. So once again, remember, AllMightyClean is here to restore your comfort zone.